Video number 8. From this video, we're gonna talk about reports. If you notice from the beginning, from our very first video, I have give you overall idea about these items. And since that, I was started to talk about products, and I have skipped about the terminal cells. I I tell you why today. So the main reason is all these options are regarding reports. So we can get all these in the reports, all these transactions and all this stuff we can get from reports. And also even in the terminal sales, they got the reports here as well. And when we go back to products, we got the same thing here. And also when we go to inventory, yeah, so it will be everywhere. So rather than wasting your time to do the make you watch the same thing again and again, and also rather than confusing you, I was decide I'm going to do the reports and then cover all these in a one simple video. So that's what I'm going to do today. Let me close this first and then let's go to the reports. uh, on our reports, it is very simple. Top grid and the footer, it's same as we discussed in the previous videos. And when you go through here, so these are the main key options. But if you go through one of them, they have a lot of areas you can search. See, and yeah, for everything. So that's what I want to cover from this one, because it will be cover up all the things. Uh, so how we make a report is you can just go through here, or otherwise you can search. Let's say mm, anything, anything from here you can say calculator. Let's do calculator, calculator, and then it will sort out. So these are some filters as we had from here, like from the previous videos, and also here we get the same filters. So once you click that one, then it will allow you to give what are the filters you can use. And from here you can choose the period of time you want. You can just run a report for today, or you can just run a report for week, month, financial year, or annually, or whatever. And also you can choose the monthly dates and times here. uh, from from this location, you can select what is the location you want. For example, if you use sandwood, and then select the you can select from choosing the description here, or otherwise if you just type 100, it will give you the same location. And also here you can choose. So from here we're gonna give where we start this report, and then we're gonna give where we finish the report. So same as there, you can either click 100 to 100, or 100 to 200, or 100 to 1000, whatever you want. And you can select over there, or you can just type 100 to 200. So 200 is done, so it will show us from Sandwood to Dune. And from here you can uh, select the location group. So from KBR is the main resort, and for the Gari you can select the number one. So I'm gonna select this one. And also here you can give the families, as we discussed in our previous videos. So we should have already create families, and then you can select that one. And you can select the product range as well, if it is a merchandise retail. And here we have give some options to give some filters. Use master group. You can include the discontinued products if you want, or otherwise you can put the product we don't have any stocks at the moment. And yeah, you can give the filters accordingly, whatever the one you looking for. uh, and then also you can select the range of product PLU numbers or products, or otherwise you can give a group and categories which we have discussed in here. And once you're done selecting all of these, you can either export them, that report, or you can print it, or what I normally do is I'm just preview it. So the preview in time, it may depend on the report we are running. So if you give monthly, or maybe if you give a annual one, it will take a long time. So I'm expecting to get this one a little bit quicker, but just because the location 100 is quite a big list, so it will be take a little bit time as well. And also every time when I do the videos, system is running very slow as well. So yeah, it's just started to load now. Uh, you can go through and search these as well. Let me share it with you. Okay, so once we run that on, so it will give us a report like this. So it shows us all the information about that one, and also tell us the categories if we have choose, and the master groups. So all the option we have click yes, and also mainly the one we have selected sand and wood to sand and wood. So it will show us, and then from here also we have give the same options uh, as we have here. So you can either print or you can export it from to a Excel file. I'll show you one of recent Excel file I have opened. I was doing some cleaning some duplicates from the village store. So I ran the same calculated stock in hand report for catch that one. And then even here you can see, so this report is probably, yeah, 2500. And these are some features I have had to make it easy for me to select, but otherwise all this information is came from the report, so you can get to the spreadsheet like that, and you can edit them, you do whatever you want pretty easily from here. And so yes, this is all about the report. So you can select whatever the reports you want to run through, and also there are so many features you can go through, and it's depend on the uh, access you have as well. For example, I can go through the admin database and check them, uh, and even with the sales, you can go and check the sales audit. For example, let's go check some cancel sales audit. Let's give the yeah, this San and Wood. Let's run one for today. I don't know whether we have canceled any today yet or not, but let's see. Yeah, yes. So yeah, we can see today we have some cancelled things. So yeah, Aya has cancelled few of them. Uh, so yeah, we can get all these details from here rather than going through here. And also we have connected some of these features to terminals as well. So that's why you have run through the X reports and Z reports at the end of the day. And yeah, so this is the main one. We can, if you want to go to a report, and you can click it. uh, so yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you to get an idea about reports. Thanks for watching.